Good afternoon, this is John Farhat with Loquantur. Today I'd like to tell you about a client who faced a dilemma. They had an analog phone system, but their building was wired for that analog system, which meant that when it was time to upgrade to a modern system, a digital system, they would have had to rewire the whole building and every single drop had to be redone. They contacted Loquantur, and together we worked out a plan on how we're going to be implementing the system via our wireless setup. We worked on the implementation of that plan and were able to actually get them their full office implemented without having to add any single wire into that implementation. And so the client, instead of having to spend thousands of dollars on rewiring a building, we were able to get them a phone system, a modern phone system that allows them to do everything that they wanted to upgrade their system for and avoid spending all of that money on simple wiring. I'm sure this is not a story that is unique to this client and would love to start a conversation if you leave us some information in the chat. And thanks for listening, and we'll talk next week.